Bhaktivinoda Ṭhākura has explained that everybody should accept a person according to his advancement in Krishna consciousness. Not see him according to his skin color, according to his birth, according to other things. But according to his advancement in Krishna consciousness, according to his renunciation, that is the only means by which we give respect. Sometimes we respect guests and visitors and dignitaries. This is nothing spiritual. This is simply a social custom. We treat them so that they may be encouraged to serve Krishna. So this is, you see, to be understood. Those who are the godbrother of spiritual master we respect. Those who have been awarded second initiation, those we also respect. This is nothing wrong. This is natural. But you see, there's no jati ved according to caste, creed, color, all these materialistic upadhis or designation. But we respect people for their advancement in devotional service. Just like here we see that the Ashwini Kumars and Lord Indra, that they are respecting, but because they wanted to get spiritual knowledge, they took all type of methods, including trading Dadhīci's head for a horse's head to get spiritual knowledge. This should show us that we should be eager to get Krishna consciousness by any means, even if it comes from a horse's head. If the knowledge is pure, then we'll accept it. This thing should be understood, that it is not anything but whether the thing being said is being exactly repeated according to Sadhu Shastra Guru. That is what is important. Is it Krishna's version? Otherwise we should not hear. Has anybody seen a horse speak? That the Muni is giving spiritual instruction from the horse's mouth. This is what we say in English, getting it straight from the horse's mouth. So we should take it like it is, from the Shastra. Similarly, those who are here, whatever they're hearing, that is not for keeping to oneself. Dadhīci was in such a danger. If he gives spiritual knowledge, he'll have his head cut off. In this way, the Ashwini Kumars, they offered him that, don't worry, we'll trade you heads and you'll still survive. And then Dadhīci gave spiritual knowledge. What a great soul! How many people would take such a risk to have their head taken off for giving something to another? How many people will give up their head just to help another and to wear a horse's head, taking the risk that whether the other person will replace my head or not? So we can understand that Dadhīci is a very brave soul and broad-minded. But we see that even greater than Dadhīci are some of the Vaishnavas, because they are not only trading their head with the chance of getting back, but they're giving up their whole life, risking their life, and even dying for spreading Krishna consciousness. Just like Haridāsa Ṭhākura, he was told, you stop preaching or we'll beat you in 21 marketplaces. Did Haridāsa Ṭhākura stop? So, in this way we should be fixed up to give what we received and what we are receiving from our spiritual master by Krishna's mercy. If somebody is a miser and he gets knowledge and keeps it, that knowledge will not fructify. That will gradually go out. But when he gives the knowledge to others, then that increases and becomes more brilliant. The first qualification of getting spiritual knowledge is enthusiasm or eagerness. So devotees eager to receive Krishna consciousness and eager to give out Krishna consciousness to others. This is a quality. So Prabhupada has given so many informations in these books. You have heard so many things in the class. These things should be distributed to everyone. Otherwise, we'll be known only as misers. Duratma, not Mahatma. Just like Lord Caitanya gave us Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we always chant loudly for benefit of everyone. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Mahaprabhu said, Chanadapi suni chena tarori va suhishnana amanena manadena kirtaniya sadahori amanena manadena. That we don't ask for respect for ourselves, but we give respect to others. According to time, place and circumstance, someone may be given respect, but we don't go out of our way to give a karmi respect. Although we go out of our way to give Mahabhagavat devotees and pure Vaishnavas respect, because they are very much favored by Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Radha Krishna.